Hello guys, I am M.guru from SNS College of Technology, second year mechanical department. Today we are talk about the 3D printing two topics. The main two topics are flexible design and rapid prototyping. Flexible designs. Flexible design 3D printing allows for the design and print of more complex designs that traditional manufacturing process. More traditional manufacturing processes are design restricted, which no longer apply to with the use of 3D printing. Secondly, rapid prototyping. 3D printing can manufacture fast within hours, which speeds up photo printing copies of process. This allows in each stages to complete faster when compared to the machine prototype. 3D printers print its inexpressively quick at creating a parts as the part can be finished in hours. It reduces the times. Following designs modified computed with 3D printing. 3D printing is an advanced process and it is developing by day by day. That's all for today's topic. Thank you.